If I see him around, I'll
Yo,
give
man,
him
what
a
up?
piece of my mind for sure.
Fucking parties on the beach all night.
Tonight, Bobbin. Now for the latest word in the big city. Turning the breakbeats against the Judas Bunch. The box stands back to retain their reign supreme.
Be good to me. Come on,
Up
give
in
it to me.
Riverside, the baseball Furies continue their winning streak by knocking out some Chicken boys. With minor leagues today, the Orphans report that they've been making some major moves by knocking out the Warriors, that outfit from Coney that snuck in and
This
got
is
up
bullshit,
all
man. We never even met those whips. We ought to kick them in their lying mouths.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. We oughta. The rest of you dudes stay put. Me and Fox is taking the new blood out to see if they as tough as they talk.
Hey, give him one for me, Ash. Shit, big man. I won't let you down.
You guys better be ready for the real thing.
Oh, we ready, War Chief. We ready.
Let's get down to their hangout and wreck everyone along the way.
Look at these
Boxcar
wimps.
right here, man. I'm a lucky fucker.
Sure you are. Maybe you're gonna roll a 6 and then I'll take some more of your cash. How about that, buddy?
Man, this guy doesn't even have any cash. You shouldn't talk. You like to borrow $20 from your mom so that we can all get high. Face it, we're poor fuckers and that's the end. Oh, 8.
Double or nothing.
Yo, I got
Put it
5.
down,
Yeah,
man.
right
Put
there.
it
Put
down.
it
Come on.
Yeah.
Let's see that
Oh,
money.
shit.
The Warriors! Yo, guys, the Warriors are here!
Bring it, man.
Take them apart! You want
You're a little nasty boy, ain't ya?
Hey, buddy, come here. I got what you need. Hey, I ain't gonna run out, so come back when you got the money.
clean this shithole out!
Gonna clear this place out.
Got some spray here, man. It'll get you up.
Let's move it.
I'm coming, brother.
Hey, man, I think I could help you.
Shit, man, Jesse really laid into that guy. I mean, we all took a pretty hard beating, but I know Jesse did some major
Yeah,
damage.
that dude might not have gone down, man, but like, he was like so ready to drop, man. You...
I really think any score is a big score, man.
Think about the free starts. What's better than that?
Your offense think you're heavy? You think you can take on the Warriors? Then prove it, motherfuckers. Prove it.
Holy shit!
Stop dodging me, Dick. Get my
I'm gonna
back.
get you suckers. I'm gonna bash you.
Take him
face.
apart.
Try this on. I fucked you up. That was a love tap, sucker. Here comes the motherfucking war. Stand fast. We've got company. Make me pansy. Go.
You don't want to keep going, man.
Hey, buddy, catch.
Stop swarming around. Here's Don't hold back, man. I'm gonna show you a real fight.
I knocked your ass into last week.
Looks like your boys just got their asses handed to them. Why don't you go join them, Tubby? And don't come back.
Shit. Hey, it's Warriors. Warriors. Shit.
Damn! Don't let that fucker get away. Okay. Everyone
I'd like to see. The fucking Warriors! If Jesse would stop eating those burgers, we don't take kindly to... You ready to die, man? Hey, you!
Fucking A. Fuck him up now! I'm coming to make you bleed!
Check this out, buddy! They're the fucking Warriors! Man, I fucked you up!
Oh, damn, man, that was ruthless.
Here, I'll fill you in again!
What I got is the nicest paint around, man. Primo shit.
Get those assholes! Why you so... I know you like this
back here. Go home and change your
Sure
diaper.
you want to
Take
do
it
it,
off.
buddy? Come on, sucker! You have more in you! I can see it in your eyes!
You can't get away! I got you beat, man!
Score. You give the cash, you get the flash. Enjoy. Sure you don't need some flash?
I knocked your ass at the last one! That's how we do! I'm gonna get you! Man, I fucked you up! Watch out, fucker!
Got something for you! How's the beat, chump?
can't believe that.
You telling me? If I were you guys, I wouldn't even bother.
That party was real lame.
Holy shit! It's the Warriors!
I know we're at war, but oh, come on, man.
Take them apart!
Fucking great. What else is gonna... Here's something nice. Just leave me alone.
You'll be sorry!
Come on! Let's make this fun!
Hell yeah!
You see that fucker drop, man? What you got, huh? What you got?
Just leave me alone. No! You asshole! You're a fucking jerk!
Take them apart!
Here you go, bitch!
That's it! Let's go march right through their hangout.
We need to get our rep out there, man. We can have all the soldiers we want, man. But if we're
Come on, chumps! Let's see some of the moves we heard about on the radio. What kind of chicken shit fucks working this out? Keep moving, bud. You're gonna get down.
You play football!
I know you're scared, but take him away. Shit! Come on, man! You're a fucking chicken! You never been wrecked before!
I hope the morgue got some room for you!
Here they come!
those ain't our colors! Take them down!
Ready for the beat, man? You ready to
Come
get
on,
fucking
bitch!
crushed?
Got something for you!
Harder!
Don't fight it, man! It'll be over
You ready
soon!
to die, man? You ready to get fucked up large, man?
Right in the temple! You wanna fight me? You wanna go?
That was a love tap, son. I knocked your ass at the last one.
Oh yeah!
Oh, you little fuck! No one works the Warriors, fool! No one! Bunch of lame motherfuckers.
Good job. You guys are real tough. Real big shots.
What you say?
Well, so where's their leader? Don't you want to teach him a lesson too?
Got something to say, say it. We ain't got time for your fucking games.
His name's Sully, alright? He's at Frank's Auto Body working on his car. That dickhead thinks more of that junk heap than he does about me, and I don't like it.
Damn. Let's go. Stupid chick just sold out her man. Let's go
Hey,
wreck
you're
his
welcome.
ass.
I said you're welcome, you jerks. Screw you.
Better make sure this Sully cat understands that he can't be fucking with the Warriors no more.
Let's move it.
Hey, Sully! Holy fuck, they showed!
The Warriors? I told you not to do it!
Run! Run!
Go on, get him!
Listen good, you fucking pansies. It don't matter whether we rumble or not. What the orphans say goes. Who the streets gonna believe? A solid outfit like us? Or some Bush League rejects from the ass end of Brooklyn?
Hey, Sully. That's a fine-looking car you got going on.
What? No! Not my car! Not my car! Orphans! Get 'em!
That chick was right about his
Came to the wrong place, asshole! Ready for this, sucker!
Stand there, take this one, pussy piece of shit.
That car was my life!
What a chump!
Fucking small timers.
Check it, young blood. Always remember, the Warriors don't let no one mess with our rep. I don't care if they're orphan or riff. You fuck with us, you get your fucking head split. That's the only way we're gonna come up in this city. Now let's get back to Coney.
Okay, here's the latest and greatest from the Big Apple. Apparently, we were given some jive news concerning the rep of one of the small-time crews. The Tremont orphans got caught doing